Everyone, welcome all to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Silver Rainbow. Welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm pretty excited to begin this vlog. Anyway, happy new year 2025. This is my second video in 2025 and I feel so good to do it. And yeah, so in today's video guys, I'm doing something pretty exciting, something good. So I'm actually doing some cleanup in my brother's house. As you can see, I'm in a place which is a bit messy, so that is what I'm doing in this video. So kumekuwa na mafundi na some constructions here and there, so the fundis left the house when it is in a mess, so I wanna make it good. So this is the compound. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff around all over. So basically in this video I'm doing some general cleaning in this compound in my brother's house, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, can you consider subscribing, comment, like, share my videos, yeah. So let me know something from the comment below that you wish me to change in my video, like anything, that comment something that you want me to know. If you enjoy my videos, tell me that you do enjoy them. Yeah, like my videos. Yeah, we are on a road to 1,000 subscribers and currently we are somewhere not bad, so yeah, let's do it. So from here, let's start our video. So guys, this is how the place looks like from this end. Yeah, so I told you it's good. So guys, this is how the place looks like. It's a bit messy because you had some founders and all that, so this is what I'll be cleaning. That's how it looks like. Yeah, and also in the inside it's also a bit messy, so let me show you before I start doing the cleanup. Go here. This is the entrance of this house. So as you can see on this side, this is the corridor or the veranda, and it's totally in a mess, you know, so I wanna clean up this place. So guys, keep locked and enjoy my video. From here I'm going to start with the outside part. So I want to collect all this stuff that you see here and maybe burn them somewhere. Yeah, so it's gonna be fun. this is what we have on this other end. From here I want to select vibuyu zimemalizwa kutumika and I keep it in a place. Yeah. So I'll be opening this and see if kuna rangi ama I'll be putting aside kenye kuna rangi na kenye hazina rangi hata kidogo. So this one has no rangi. At this point I'm fairly halfway, so I want to mop. I want to first sweep, then after sweeping I mop. Yeah, so on this end, these things that are placed here is the rangi kenye haijatumiwa, so haijamalizika, like it still has some products, so siwezi kuitupa. So let's mop. At this point guys, nimemaliza kuosha the veranda, so let me show you how it looks like. It's been a minute, like imekuwa kazi mingi sana, but finally nimemaliza, nimefikisha this part, and yeah, though it's not that good, but at least I'm somewhere. So this is how the place looks like. Yeah, floor kameng'ora. On that end, hizo vitu mnaona pale ni the remains ya rangi za nyumba, bado nitachukua to another place. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. At least it's somewhere. Yeah, I've done something pretty good. So at this point guys, I was really exhausted, and this place was the only remaining part that I hadn't mopped, and it's outside and it was really dirty, but I had to make sure that I get the best out of it. Also, the sun was really scorching my head but I still had to do it guys. So from here I was still using my mopper, and I was just wondering, why am I not getting the real deal, the real thing that I really wanted from this part? So I tried, and so guys, this is the final look of this place after washing and doing all the activities. Yeah, it's so clean, though sijamaliza sana, so I'm still doing some work. Maybe nitakuja kesho tena. So from here we just go, then burn the things that are not needed anymore. So we head to the burning bush. that is the end of our video. Yeah, so kama umewatch this all video, you have seen that sijamaliza kila kitu. So tomorrow we are back here for part 2. Nimeosha compound and nikaosha veranda. So in tomorrow's video I wanna do it with you. So tomorrow I'll be cleaning the entire house. So it will be legit, it will be fun. So stay tuned. Yeah, subscribe and watch these all my videos till the end. Yeah, bye bye.